Hello बच्चों. The question is, which HIV responsible for the AIDS in a human is a dash single-stranded DNA virus, double-stranded DNA virus, single-stranded RNA virus, and double-stranded RNA virus. Okay, so HIV. The full form of HIV is human immunodeficiency virus. Human immunodeficiency viruses. Okay, now HIV is a virus which is belong from the family of retroviruses. Retroviruses which has RNA has a genome. RNA has a genome. RNA has a genome with the reverse transcriptase enzyme. With the reverse transcriptase enzyme. With the reverse transcriptase enzyme. Okay. Now when the HIV enters into the body via sexually transmitted disease or via the sexual intercourse with the infected person via blood transfusion or via the infected mother into the fetus via the placenta. When it's enter into the body, it will first infect the macrophage cell. Now inside this macrophage cell, it will first forms from RNA your DNA with the reverse transcriptase enzyme. It is also called as reverse transcription. Further, this DNA will forms more number of viruses. More number of viruses. Now these viruses will infect your other macrophage and it will form the more number of viruses. So the viruses count in the macrophage is increases, and due to this it is also called as the factory of HIV virus. Factory of HIV virus. Once the large amount of new HIV viruses forms, the macrophage will burst and the viruses are releases into the blood. Then in blood, it will infect your T helper cell. Further, it will infect the T helper cell. Inside the T helper cell, it will replicate and forms the more number of new HIV viruses. New HIV viruses. Okay. So due to which the T helper cell count decreases, the helper cell count decreases, and the condition is called acquire immunodeficient. Acquire immunodeficient. Now once the T helper cell counts decreases, it will cause the condition in which the immune system of the infected person will be weak, and the condition is called your acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Acquired immunodeficiency deficiency syndrome, or you can say in short form AIDS. अब इसमें क्या होगा पर्सन का, the immune system of the person is so weak that it cannot resist the other infection caused by the other pathogens, due to which the TB, such as TB or cancer, is occur at a single time at a time, and due to which the person die ultimately. Okay, so now here the question is asked, HIV responsible for the AIDS in the human is a, सो उसमें जेनेटिक मटेरियल कौन सा है जो एच आई वी जो एड्स कॉज करा है, तो HIV का जेनेटिक मटेरियल क्या है? ये हमें पता है कि RNA उसका जेनेटिक मटेरियल, लेकिन वो है सिंगल स्टैंडर्ड RNA. क्या है? सिंगल स्टैंडर्ड RNA होता है जिसमें डबल आइडेंटिकल कॉपी होती है with two reverse transcriptase enzyme covered by the envelope, covered by your envelope. So ये एक एनवलप रेट्रोवायरस है जिसमें एनवलप में आपका जो जेनेटिक मटेरियल होता है सिंगल स्टैंडर्ड RNA वो प्रोटीन कोड से कवर होता है. तो ऑप्शन यहाँ पे सी क्या है, सिंगल स्टैंडर्ड RNA वायरस इज योर राइट आंसर. दो कॉपी होते हैं, दो आइडेंटिकल कॉपी होते हैं RNA वायरस के, लेकिन वो क्या होते हैं, सिंगल स्टैंडर्ड RNA होते हैं with the two reverse transcriptase enzyme. So option C is your right answer. Okay, I hope you will understood this concept. Thank you and best of luck.